So now we're gonna go to the supermarket. I'm gonna show you guys what a Thai supermarket looks like. You're gonna see all the exciting stuff that I'm gonna eat right now. And you can say hi to this guy too. Hello. Exciting. So this right here is Jung Silleon. This is like the giant shopping mall of Phuket. This is where you come basically when you want to pretend like you're still in America. Never actually been to this part of the supermarket with all the cakes and stuff, but I'm just like so hungry right now. I'm like just smelling it.
Biatch.
What's it feel like, man? I feel like cooking. What's it feel like, man? I feel like cooking. What's it feel like, man? I feel like cooking.
DJ motherfucking Rail.
What's it feel like, man? I feel like cooking. What's it feel like, man? I feel like cooking.
Auntie, I got you. What's that?
The first course looking very picturesque. Got the bacon. Got the oatmeal and eggs cooked in the bacon grease, coconut oil. Got our hot sauces and some of this. First course, destroyed. One of the things that I definitely missed about eating healthy food in Thailand is all of these really good fruit shakes. Hello. It always draws a scene when you add some like crazy shit to your phone and start filming yourself in public. But you just gotta get used to it, you know? I feel like, what's up, brother? How are you? It's like the whole paparazzi effect. If you walk around with the paparazzi, like chasing you, people are gonna be like, oh my God, who is that? Is that person famous? Like, I wonder who they are. Anyway, we're going to the same night market that I went to yesterday. They have this fruit shake place that I go to, 60 baht for like a massive fruit shake, which literally isn't even $2. I'll show you guys right now how huge this thing is. They put like a whole mango, a whole banana, maybe 2 bananas, a whole pineapple, and then I'm gonna get some corn. That's my cheat meal, so I don't binge on, you know, donuts or something. There's fucking so many people here. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you. Making your way through the crowds. It's very fun here. You know, it's just such a shame to come here and not eat all of this like fresh, healthy food that they have. Like what am I thinking trying to prove a point by eating dessert in Thailand? Like they don't even have good dessert here. If you want good dessert, you gotta go to America. I'm already full. I feel like eating more. I think I might get some mango sticky rice. Those balls are really good. I'll come back. I need to eat healthy food first. Thank you. So I think I realized what it is. I know I'm gonna binge when I eat, regardless, 48, 24, 1 meal a day, 72 hours. I know that when it's time to eat, I'm just gonna go nuts. So I think what I've realized is better for me to do is to just eat healthy food. So I end up binging on things like mango and sticky rice and fruit shakes instead of, you know, what I ate last time, like pad thai and pizza. And honestly, I feel 100 times better now than I did before. And I also got full much faster, which is weird, because I ate a lot more food last time. Oh my God, I just like thought I recorded the entire end of this video, and then I realized that I wasn't recording at all. Good times. Yeah, I'm fucking stuffed. I couldn't eat another bite if you paid me. It's kind of weird eating like this. You get full so much faster. Like, especially compared to my last refeed. Oh, that's where I got my massage yesterday. Hello. People are so friendly when you give them money, you know? It's crazy. That's why America is such a fake place, or friendly place, I think. Anyway, not to get sidetracked, been getting very full very quickly when I eat healthy food. So maybe that's why I haven't had the energy to run up the hill in the morning like I did when I was eating lots of carbs. I guess we'll see tomorrow if I have gas in the tank to run up that hill because I definitely plan on working out tomorrow. I haven't done shit all day today. I was literally just lying around. It was so boring what I ate today. I wanted to go to a buffet, but on the internet they all said the buffets were like low quality shit buffets. Anyway, that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you click that like button. If you have any questions, comments, be sure to leave them in a comment down below. If you want to see more updates on any crazy health related shit that I decide to put out, subscribe right there. Peace.